Seattle. Oh, what is this?
I can feel it in my body, in my mind and soul. You're where the music goes. My heart it goes to all up in my mental, and I just can't let go, no, of this feeling that the music and the sound can do to you. Only one thing on earth truly ease your mind, and without it your life you're about to go blind. No music is pain, I swear I'll never be the same. Yet if they try to take it away from my love, the rhythm that changed me, love rearranged me. It rocked me like a baby and held me when I cried. Your eye on the sparrow, your mind is a tempo. You cannot fight it, no matter how you try. Can you feel the vibe? Can you feel the vibes tonight? Yeah, can you feel the vibe? Can you feel the vibes tonight? Yeah, a property, yeah, that's that belongs to me. It's mine, yeah, and I think that life is free. It's a simple luxury. If you open your eyes, child, just look all around you. Here is the dub sound. Yeah, just look all around you. Here is the dub sound. The dub sound. No